Hello everyone, I'm showing how to make yardlong bean pound beef. The first, yes, I will show all ingredients for make it. The first, this is the ingredient that we fry like red onion, garlic, chili and galangal. And we fry it until good smell. And this one, the fish part that we chopping. Yeah, we chop it. And this one the lemongrass that we slice it, and this one the vegetable like salad and water mimosa, and the beef, yeah, the beef we fry a short time, the fry a short time, and then we add the fish pasta fry too. After describe ingredient, and now start cooking it together. Please go. First, pound ingredient that we fry is like red onion, galangal, chili and garlic. Yeah, we pound it. Yeah, pound it. After we pound a moment, and then we add fish part that we fry it too, and then we pound together. We pound a moment, and then we can add yardlong bean. Yeah, yardlong bean we use for this food 300 gram. After we pound a moment, and then we squeeze lemon fruit. Yeah, we pound together. Yeah, we pound one by one. Yeah, and then we can add some groceries like salt, and add seasoning. Seasoning we add a little, and then we add sugar. Sugar we add 1 spoon. Yeah, 1 spoon, and then we pound. Yeah, we pound one by one. That means we pound a moment and let the taste combine each other already. Yeah, and then we add lemongrass. Yeah, lemongrass. This lemongrass we take only young lemongrass tree. Yeah, easy to eat. And then we add fish sauce. Fish sauce we can add 1 spoon. Yeah, after we add fish sauce already, and then we pound it one by one. After pound it, and then we add beef. This beef that we fry before, and then we pound together with the ingredient like lemongrass and yardlong bean and everything. Yeah, we pound together. Yeah, we pound one by one. Yeah, and then we pound all these, and then we take to put in this plate. Yeah, this plate. You can see in this plate they have vegetable. Yeah, like rice, paddy, herb, and salad, and water mimosa. And finally, don't forget to taste it. If we salt any taste, we can add. Okay, it's on time. Thank you for watching, and good luck everyone and every family in the world. Bye bye. See you next time.